We're back, boys.
We're fucking back.
Back
we're on
to
crack.
fucking, what the dick is it
And
called?
we got a cack. We're back to the fucking
Neverland?
Back in Neverland here.
Hell yeah, brother.
We're getting we got our forms filled out by our parents for the Neverland field trip.
Yep. Alright.
What happens? Jason promised us a puppy if we came back. So we're here.
Jesus, man. Yeah, so Tranny's going in today. We're just waiting on Jason to come back because we gotta find out if he has any. We need some grease to put the pilot bushing seal in, and then Tranny's gonna plop right in. Should be chill.
Plop it and drop it.
This while we wait. The fuel filter because we left it just unbolted last time.
Put the other bitch on. What's the other bitch called?
I need a new oil pressure sensor, and it's probably pretty easy to get to right now because there's nothing really in the way. After we move these lines, just unscrew it, put another one in, and then Tranny in, and then what? Put the
Tranny in.
upper intake back on.
Put the goddamn exhaust back on. It's gonna be a terrible time.
Yeah. And just
Drive shaft.
Wire it up, and it should be chill.
Wait, can you zoom on this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right here, this little thing. Ooh. I also really want to get these fucking lines out of the way because they're starting to piss me off.
Yeah, honestly, let's take them out now.
Alright.
There's a bolt like along here that they're bolted on with. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Like a little bracket. 10 wrench.
Oh, yo, this whole thing comes off, so it's probably gonna be way easier to get the 10 on.
Yo, cap that thing before we forget.
The vacuum cap?
Yeah.
I won't forget.
Did I just remind you? You're a mother bitch.
Bro, it's cool.
God damn it, Ben, he doesn't have a 10?
No, I'm using it.
Oh. Are you getting that bracket off?
Dude, this bolt's a fucking bitch hole.
Where the fuck did Nelson go, man? Why am I filming?
Dude, I don't know. He's so small, like you just lose him sometimes. Alright, finger blasting bolts here. Look at this. Got this bitch out for the old tranny cooler lines, auto tranny cooler lines.
Okay. I'm gonna go close up for that. Very good.
Dude, because I like bent this last time. Shit, can you get it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna loop the line.
Okay.
Pulling out the auto tranny cooler lines.
Okay.
Quick latte. Man, get the fuck out of my swamp. What are you doing? What are you sending?
You know how we like bent the bracket to get it out last time?
You bent the goddamn bracket.
Yeah, well, it's like really hard to like bend it back. Wait, is this shit threaded all the way?
Some heat? Some heat for the boys? Some steamy fart. Yo, dog. What kind of juice you got, dog? Can I hit it? You're just like here though, he's just standing at the front of the ferry. Fuck! You hear him?
He's signing my jewel.
Dude,
Oh,
you're
fucking
you're
sick,
so
man.
lucky.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
Do you guys want a Maddie Smokes collab? Comment down below.
Man, it's being a massive bitch.
What?
Finally got this bitch back on.
Oh.
Adam's working on the lines.
What just happened?
I just got the one line disconnected. Okay. Yeah. Fuck. This is so straight. Man, I need the fucking 10 wrench, you dumb hoe. I find myself folding him at least 10 times a day. Holy shit. Ah, fucking shit, tits. Man, I need the fucking 10, dog. Thank you. Word up, brother. Word up.
Ooh.
Give it a tug, man.
Where'd that run to?
No, it's not connected to anything.
I know, but it's like just caught us on it. Oh man, this is the most hurts fucking lines, man. It's because they run around so much fucking bullshit. Man, I'm just gonna cut it and then pull it out in 2 different pieces.
Cut it. Cut it. Man. You're being dumb bitch. Oh, you have them. Yeah, just give her that. Give her a circ, dog. Cut it. Cut it.
Where's music?
How would that help? That's gonna make it harder to get out. Now you have less handle.
True, fuck it.
Body's dense as fuck, man. You're gonna be fucked for the exam if you don't know how to calculate density. You're gonna fucking fail! Thanks, Kathy, you dumb skank. Okay, dog. Cut it.
Oh, but you guys don't like because I'm Christian.
No, I don't like you because you're you. What does the hangulation say? Zoink. Oh, you're pulling on the second one? There's no way that'll hold your weight. Yeah, it's going. Oh, shitterous clitoris.
I think that's what was holding it in.
Fetus and letus.
Put these. Yeah, I get. Wait till the second
Wanna get this one out?
Yeah, but I want to save this hose. No, hang on to the hose, and I'll pull on this because we want to save this hose. So just grab it here and hang on to it.
Wait, there's still a clamp on the hose.
No,
right?
it's off. Shit, man, that's enough. We're looping the lines right now. We got the lines out here on the ground. Oh, motherfucker!
Hell yeah, brother. Don't have Ben here to do all the work for us, so.
I know, bummer, hey? Ben's the ultimate
Is that on?
guy at doing everything. Yeah, I just want to pull this one off and put this one up on.
Then you have to loop these because the automatics have like tranny coolers.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, because like it comes from radio. Okay.
Because it comes from the radio?
I was in
I
the
know.
comments on my video on the exhaust, and some guy was like, "Man, that's the exact type of guy I would expect to have a Miata."
My brother was laughing about that too. I was like, yeah. My brother was like, I fully agree with that guy. Like,
You got A, B, C, D. Jump these. These are reverse.
dude, you gotta
lights.
put the whole fucking ECU in,
Shut
you dumb
the
bitch.
fuck
Dude,
up.
you need to buy a whole new car.
Dude. Gotta switch out the whole undercarriage, brah.
Man, the wrench got stuck, man.
Oh, dick.
You fucking what, brother?
You fucking shit, brother?
The lip side goes in first, right? Should seat next to the pilot bushing. You probably got the train. You probably will push it in more, but it'd be nice to get it all the way in. All right, should we send it in or what?
The trans?
Yeah.
Okay, we need the crossmember bolt. Nelson needs to be like, we'll set up the camera so Nelson can put on the crossmember while we hold the tranny.
Take on right now.
Okay.
Fuck, man. These wires are shittered.
What?
Is that how you drive automatic?
Dude, don't know.
Let's go like.
It's stuck on the linkage, man. The thing that goes to the tranny. This fucking wire. Oh, that's not very much fucking. Oh yeah, she'll gooch. It's gonna be clean as fuck, man.
Oh yeah.
What's this hole for, Noah? Alright, well these two dumb hoes were outside. I got the new oil pressure sender in here. Yeah, shiny. Yeah, I'm just tightening it down now.
Yeah, it's the most fuck. Show that wiring. So this car, I think this tranny came from a car that was already 5-speed swap. That would make sense. Because it's already junk. We're not going to use that, but we'll make our own. I don't know which ones. It said, on forums, I'm pretty sure it's the two red wires, but these fucking split to blue and green, blue and green, blue and green, blue and green. Oh, okay, so these are the reverse wires. So we'll cut these off and we'll use these for reverse, and then that's all we're going to use from that.
Wait, so you got rocks in the shifter?
I don't know what the fuck is in here, man. Alright, let's go. Come on.
What is going on in here?
Should I help
You
out
put a
with this?
bushing and shit, not just it's like a snap.
Yeah.
Oh, is that on? There we go.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, throw a.
Here, Nelson,
Wait,
you
no,
use
no,
it.
no. Hold the back. I'll throw it. I got crossmember bolt in.
Alright. Holy shit, this is cattywampus as fuck, man. Hang on. Okay, so we got the tranny in. All we did was we loosened the engine mounts off and we put a 2x4 right here to
We're gonna be able to get this out?
kind of lead the whole engine.
Oh,
yeah, lead the whole engine back, and it went right in. So we got the custom crossmember bolted in. Just gotta tighten it, tighten the engine mounts,
Wait.
chuck a couple bell housing bolts in,
Wait.
and then we're gonna be starter and wiring it. Here, I'm just gonna tighten the engine mounts real quick. That stripped one.
No.
That's stripped as fuck right here.
This one's not stripped, is it?
That bolt head, look at it.
Oh fuck, this one we don't want to use. Oh no, we'll be, yeah. If we switch those two out, so pull that one
All
out.
fine.
Yeah.
So what do we do today?
Here, no, before you put that in, let's get that bell housing bolt above it.
I said, what are we doing right now? I said today, but I meant right now.
Like right now?
Yeah, like right now.
We're swapping a tranny.
Man, we only have 2 bolts left, eh? Oh shit, man, it's light.
Full
Fucking lightweight, brother.
drive shaft.
Man, why do I feel like the auto tranny drive shaft fits better than this one? Cause look.
I think here, this is the setup.
Oh, okay.
Gotta be the densest motherfucker in the world, man. It just won't start.
It won't go in. No, like it doesn't fit.
Yeah, I know. I can see
Oh.
Okay, no, we'll cut out that part.
People are gonna be commenting, you guys are fucking idiots. Wait, did you tighten this one already?
So some updates. We got the drive shaft bolted in.
Hooking up the starter. 808 Mafia!
Jeez, $80 plus shipping.
Afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. Gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight, gonna grab some afternoon delight. My motto's always been when it's right. Why wait until the middle of a cold dark night when everything's a little lighter in the light of day, a little clearer in the light of day. Thinking of just working on my appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Alright, so I think this is in as far as it's going now. Right back. Nice shirt. Pretty beautiful. Hell yeah. Give it an out of 10. Maybe a 4.5. 4?
2.
2?
That was like a 3 seconds.
Yeah, honestly the 4.5 was high.
No, it's a 2. Turn around, look at the car.
You get -2. Dude,
It's a Miata.
can't be homophobic.
There's wire strippers in there, you know.
Is there actually?
Fuck yeah.
Jesus.
No, they have everything.
Snap on too.
No way. Okay, headers on. We did the jump, so fucking these terminals here. So this is backwards, but it'd be AB and then CD. So you want to jump CD together, and then these two AB are your reverse lights that will run to here. We'll wire these up later. We're gonna put the pedals on now. So we just put the header on so we can see if it starts after the pedals are in.
Alright, what the fuck is up, Kyle? Ah! What's with this hangulation, man?
It's the only way to get her done, man.
What are you doing, buddy, man?
The block off plate is out. Can you like pull it out?
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Hey?
Too dark.
Oh shit. I'm pulling the automatic pedals out to put the manual ones in.
Oh, okay. Do you have to? Can we just cut the manual?
No, fuck that, man. I want it to look fucking minky, man. My arms are falling asleep though, like really fast.
That's alright! Alright, I'm gonna put the fucking slave on. What's up, mother bitch? What's up, mother fucking trucker? Putting the slave on, which for some reason is on top of the motor and fucking FCs.
On top of the trans. Did we go over the jumper yet? I think we did, right?
Yeah, but you might want to go over it again. I don't think it worked that well.
Yeah, okay, so
You know what you're talking about, buddy.
starter jump. Yeah, I do.
Okay, fuck it, boy.
And then also you run this 12-volt wire to your starter. Clicks on, turn the key.
We'll fucking see if it starts.
What the fuck do I know, hey buddy?
What's going on, boys?
Dick.
We missed the fucking, we're listening to some disco. Alright, I got the fucking slavin, which was a bitch whore and a half. It's on top of the goddamn transmission for some reason. Got the soft line in.
It's dark as fuck, hang on.
Alright, got the fucking slavin down there on
Oh,
top
yeah.
of the transmission, bitch of a place.
Got the soft line in.
Soft line. Then I got the hard line in to the fucking master, which needs to be bolted in from the inside.
So yeah.
Fucking ready to chew.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Doing fucking mods by my calculation.
Big times. And we got fucking Buddy Van Doodle over here, just fucking throwing the back out on the side of the FC. Trying to get the pedals in this bitch.
Yeah, he's loving it.
It's having a great time, you can tell. That's anger. You can hear him.
Sounds like a Komodo dragon.
Buddy's having a great time.
Honestly, for Jason's birthday, I'm buying him a fucking Komodo dragon to guard the property. He just leaves right away. Oh, fuck, man. You just hear on the news, fucking 12-foot Komodo dragon on the loose in Saanich. Oh, shit.
Sounds like it was here.
What's going on?
Dude, this pedal assembly, you can see Ben fucking had to drop the steering column.
Jesus.
I was just down there for like couple days.
Ben just got home from work and he's already wrenching. Like, holy
Need to get his jacket off.
Oh yeah.
The slacks.
Jeez, eh?
Slacks.
Pedals?
She just ate some fucking dirt. Yeah.
What did we get done today?
Everything. I put the oil pressure sensor in because you couldn't do that. I don't know how. We put the train in, drive shaft, header, did the wiring. What else did we do? Oh, put the clutch master and slave in. We didn't do a lot, honestly. What else did we do, man?
I don't know. I think that's it.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay.
Had some lunch.
Yeah, had some lunch.
We do a little teamwork because Noah's car, the e-brake, you have to like you pretty much have to stand and like use like bench press it up. So I was like, so Noah whips it and I'm on e-brake duty there. And like we spun out.
Chucked it a little too hard. Almost hit a wall.
Must be what our neighbors must think of us. Another fucking burnout.
Yeah, literally.
All right, boys. Ben got the fucking automatic pedal box up. Gonna call it at that for today. Stay tuned for the next episode when we put the manual pedals in, put the shifter in, and go for the first start.
I don't think I can come next week though.
Why were you gonna be? Where are you gonna be?
Like exams are starting.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Fucking dick, man.
What day's the 15th?
Monday.
Shit.
Do you have one on Monday too?
Yep. Well, fuck, man. I don't know when it's gonna happen. We'll make it happen soon, though. Hell yeah, buddy.
Skidoo.
You wanna give us a little big old skidoo, man?
Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And
Hell yeah, buddy.
Oh Jesus fuck. Not a bad skidoo, honestly.
Fuck.